Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with another Tesla Tunity, and today we're going to find out if Tesla has fixed the design flaw with the Model 3's trunk. So come along with me and check it out. Alright, so before we get into it, what is the design flaw in the trunk? I want to walk you through that. So it's just rained. My car's parked, there's water on the glass, there's water on the trunk lid, and I need to get into the trunk. So what am I going to do? I'm going to open the trunk. Now what I've found is it doesn't matter if I open the trunk quickly or slowly, so we'll just let it open. And then what happens is water now falls off of the top of the trunk, hits the glass, runs down this way, and this weather stripping is too close to the glass. So what happens is instead of going down into this channel and getting routed along the sides of the trunk and out, it actually jumps the weather stripping, lands in the trunk, soaks everything that's in there, and then of course you're left with a wet trunk. So let's see if Tesla fixed it, and how would they have fixed it? Alright, so let's talk about mobile service. I want to give a huge shout out to Tesla Mobile Service. Before we find out if what they did works or not, hopefully it works, I don't know yet, but we haven't tested. I made a mobile service appointment to get a new weather stripping. It turns out on my really low VIN car, there's a different weather stripping. So this one appears to be ever so slightly taller. I'll get you in for a close-up in just a second. And it looks like it's going to try to get the water to bump and go down instead of jumping over. We're going to see if it actually works. But anyway, here's a big shout-out for mobile service. So I got a call from mobile service, and they told me they were going to arrive 1 hour early. When does that ever happen, right? And I said, oh no, I'm in a meeting at work. I won't be able to meet you at the car. Is that going to be okay? And they said, not a problem. We'll take care of everything. We don't need you. We'll fix everything, lock up the car. You'll never even know we were here. Awesome, right? So I get a text message saying that they've arrived. I check the app, and you can see my trunk is open, so I know they've started the work. And then I get a text saying, it's done, the weather stripping here in your trunk has been replaced, and then they sent me a video. So they actually showed me the job they did that I wasn't there to get to watch. And that was it. This was all done under warranty. So let's go ahead and test it out now. Alright, so what do you think? Not bad. In my opinion, much, much better. Some water did still get into the trunk, as you saw, especially on that close-up shot. Mainly on the left and right on the sides, it did jump. But in the middle, where most of the issue has been for me, it actually worked. Now, you can see I have a ceramic coating on the car, so there's some pretty good water beads here. I'm sure that makes it worse in this case for the issue, for the design flaw. But I'm going to give this 2 big thumbs up. Thanks, Tesla, for listening to feedback, making parts better, not waiting for model year changes, and for upgrading me for free under warranty. So we'll catch you in the next one, everyone. Bye.